Welcome to today's session. In this video, I'm going to demystify a powerful concept in machine learning, which stands for LSTM is a special type of neural network that's excellent at remembering. But how does it work, and why is it important? Let's find out. To understand LSTMs, we need to first look at a challenge with regular neural networks. Imagine you're trying to predict the next word in a sentence. For example, I went to the ____. A simple neural network might not remember that earlier in the sentence you mentioned school. That's because don't have memory. They treat each input independently. This is where, or were introduced, they process sequences but even RNNs struggle with. As the sequence gets longer, they tend to forget earlier input. That's why LSTMs were created. LSTM stands for, and it's a type of RNN designed specifically to. What makes it different? It has a special internal structure called A, along with. Let's break them down. First, the decides what information to discard from the cell state. Second, the decides what new information to store in the cell. Third, the decides what part of the cell state to output. This combination allows LSTM to and across long sequences. Think of it like managing your memory. You keep what's useful and forget what you no longer need. LSTMs are widely used in, predictive text-language translation. They're also used in stock price prediction * music composition, medical time series data. Whenever you need to, LSTMs can help. Here's a quick comparison. Model type memory capability best for dense neural network. Non-static data, RN short-term memory, simple sequences. LSTM long-term memory complex time series. So, if your task involves understanding the across A, LSTM is often the right tool. Let's recap. LSTM is a special type of RNN. It solves the problem of forgetting earlier data in long sequences. It does this using an A. It's used in many modern AI systems that involve sequences and time-based data. Thanks for watching. If you're learning about deep learning, LSTMs are an essential concept. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of machine learning.